Hello traders, hope you all enjoy your trading and I hope you all are having a great day. This video is a pure educational video and I'm gonna be sharing with you the most important candlestick formations that we use to enter the trades and enter trades. And I have to say those are very important candlesticks. We uh, depend on them a lot, and the accuracy of these candlesticks, in my opinion, can reach 95%. They are very accurate, and I have to say, every time we use them, they do exactly what we predicted. So I'm gonna tell you all about them, and I'm gonna tell you where to find them and how to use them to enter or exit the trade. First, as you can see, we have the doji candlestick, and actually, I mean the one that looks like the cross. This is the most important candlestick of all dojis. Actually, the dojis have a lot of formation, but this one is very important. One, it looks exactly like the cross, and as you can see, the opening price and the closing price is the same. The candlestick opens and closes at the same number. This is the first one. The second one is engulfing candlestick, and in engulfing candlestick, you have to have the second candlestick, which is can be bigger than the first candlestick, either a much bigger or bigger than 70% of the first candlestick size. So this is the engulfing, and also we have a shooting star. Shooting star is very important, very unique, and I have to say the engulfing and shooting star, you will find them a lot in all the charts, and mostly in all the pairs. The doji is kind of rare, but it's very important to see. And the last one is the inside bar, and I'm gonna actually explain exactly the conditions for the inside bar. First, the doji. So we are on the Euro New Zealand time frame. I'm gonna show you some examples, and I'm gonna start with the doji. So let me zoom out. I have an example on it here. As you can see, the doji you can find here. Here's the one that I'm talking about, and actually the doji you can see either at the end of uptrend, or at the end or in a downtrend, and I will tell you the meaning of it. As you can see, we have here a very strong uptrend, pretty strong uptrend, and then what happened? The price gave me this doji candlestick, this one. And actually, when you see a doji at the end of an uptrend, just know that the direction will reverse and the chart will turn into a downtrend. And this is exactly what happened. This was a stop hunt movement from the market makers, and as you can see, the price dropped incredibly to the downside and achieved huge pips. So if you enter the sell trade from here, this will be amazing. And actually, the unique thing that people does not know about doji is that if you saw a doji in a downtrend line, this does not mean that the trend will end. As you can see, we have here a doji. When you see a doji in a downtrend, know that the trend will continue to the downside. So it's different. In an uptrend, the trend will end. In a downtrend, the trend will continue. This is the doji. And the second one we were talking about was engulfing candlestick. Let me show you the engulfing. Yes, this can be considered an engulfing candlestick. Why? Because the second candlestick is bigger than 75% of the first candlestick, although it's not lower than it, but it's bigger. So this is an engulfing stick. Once you see an engulfing candlestick, just know that the direction will reverse. So right now we were in an uptrend. What happened is the price will drop to the downside, and as you can see, it dropped huge pips, huge pips. Let's see how many pips from, if you entered after this closure, it actually dropped around 300 pips, 300 pips, and zero reversal. If you entered from here, zero reversal. The price did not reverse at all. So this is the second candlestick formation. What we have also, we have the shooting star. This is a shooting star. As you can see, the shooting star should have a big red body, a very long shadow at the upper body, upper side, sorry, and a small shadow in the down side. Or sometimes shooting star does not have any any shadows to the downside, and actually the one that does not have shadows to the downside is stronger and much stronger. And when you see it, either if you see it at the end of an uptrend, then the direction will reverse. If you see it in a downtrend, sell, enter a sell trade, because this means a continue to the downside. So this is the shooting star. And last, what we have, let me check. The inside bar. Yeah, the inside bar. Actually, this formation is an inside bar and engulfing. What is the inside bar? The inside bar is a candle, two candlesticks. Okay, the second candlestick does not cross the first candlestick. Let me show you exactly what I mean in the example. Here, as you can see, this is the second candlestick, and either the body or the shadow does not pass the shadow or the body for the first candlestick. Actually, this candlestick has a specific strategy to enter trades, but what I can tell you is that you can draw this square from the beginning of the first candlestick and the end, the opening close and the sorry, not the opening close, from the shadow to the bottom. Either we have a shadow up to in the upside or a shadow in the downside. Just draw this square, and from there wait for the price to break either to the upside or the downside. And if the price broke to the upside, enter a buy trade, but you need to see a closure above it. Or if the price broke to the downside, you can enter a sell trade. So those are the candlestick that we really depend on it. Those are very important, and I have to say they are very accurate. So I hope you guys benefit from this video. If you have any question about those candlesticks, you can write me in the comments, and of course I will answer all your questions. I hope you guys enjoy this and use it. Use it. They are very useful, and I have to say they are pretty accurate. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to take a screenshot of this screen just to help you, you can take a screenshot, pause the video and take a screenshot. I hope you guys like this video and benefit from it. Trade safe, everybody, and have a nice day.